Hello, my dear students. I, Miss Manaza Sayed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Children, today I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. So, before starting our new lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. I will show you some pictures. But before that, I'll show you some things and you have to recognize what those things are made up of. Okay? Means I will show you one thing. You have to tell me whether it is made of paper, wood, and so on. Okay? So, first one. This is a book. And this book is made up of paper. Okay? Good. Now, second one I have is, what is this? A pencil. And a pencil is made up of wood. Yes, lakdi, you can feel if you'll see your own pencil also. Okay. Third one, I have here a water bottle. And this water bottle is made up of steel. Okay. And last one, I have here a scale. And this scale is made up of plastic. Very good. So children, do you think these all the things are always useful and always beneficial for us? Means they are always good. Do you think this? Yeah, some of the time these are useful and some of the time it will harm us. And that we are going to see now. So, today we are going to learn the lesson on plastic itself, lesson number 6, plastic good or bad, that we are going to see. So, open your textbooks, English session, page number 47. Remove your books, English session, page number 47. Now, you can see here on the board some pictures. Okay. Repeat after me, children. Lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. Tell loudly, children. Lesson number 6. Plastic, good or bad. And children, here we have question mark. This question mark, it means we are not sure, is it good or bad? Okay. So, plastic, good or bad. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. G-O-O-D good. G-O-O-D good. O-R or B-A-D bad. Plastic, good or bad. Now here, warm up. Look at these pictures put across on the things that are made of plastic. Now which things are made up of plastic? We have to put a cross. This you have to do by your own. After teaching this lesson, you can do. Okay. Now let us find out if using things made of plastic is good or bad for the world around us. Now, as the name of our lesson is plastic good or bad, and there is a question mark. So, now we are going to find out if using things made of plastic is good or bad for the world around us. Pay attention here, children. So here, children, we are going to see a story and we are going to find out whether the plastic is good or bad. Okay. One day, Seema and Sameer bought fruits in 2 plastic bags. So one day what happened? Seema is a name of girl and Sameer is a name of boy. Bought fruits in 2 plastic bags. SEEMA Seema and SAMIR Sameer. BOUGHT bought. FRUITS fruits. In TWO2 PLASTIC plastic BAGS bags. Here in this picture you can see, children, one day Seema and Sameer bought fruits in 2 plastic bags. You can see both of them are having one plastic bag. They carried the bags home and placed them on the table. So after buying the fruits from the market, what they did, they carried the bags. Means while coming, they carried. See, you can see here they are carrying the bags. मतलब हाथ में उन्होंने लिया है. Okay. So after purchasing the fruits market, they carried the bags home and placed them on the table. So if we will also go outside and we bought something, so what we will do after coming, we will also keep those bags or something which is in our hand, which we are carrying, that we will keep somewhere. Okay. So in the same way, Seema and Sameer, they carried the bags home and they placed them on the table. Don't leave the plastic bags on the table. Put them in the cupboard, said mother. So what mother, here you can see in the picture, then when they carried the bags and when they placed on the table, mother said that don't leave the plastic bags on the table. Leave मतलब छोड़ना या तो रख देना. Okay. So don't leave the plastic bags on the table. Put them in the cupboard, said mother. Now here, LEAVE, leave. LEAVE, leave the plastic bags on the table. TABLE, table. Put them in the cupboard. CUP, repeat after me. CUPBOARD, cupboard, said mother. MOTHER, mother. Very good. Why, ma? Asked Seema. So when mother said that don't leave the plastic bags on the table itself, what you do? Remove the fruits from the plastic bag and put that plastic bag in the cupboard. Then the children were having the question, why mother is telling in this way? So Seema asked her mother, why, ma? Turn the page, children. So as Seema has asked the question, mother will answer it with the proper reason. So mother is telling now, Yes, Seema asked, why ma? So, because plastic bags are light and they can fly away in the breeze. What will happen now? Plastic bags are light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Repeat the spelling. L-I-G-H-T, light. Means it's easy to carry. They are not that much heavy. यानी वजन नहीं रहते वो चीजें. Plastics are light. Okay. Means easily we can carry that. And they can fly away in the breeze. B-R, say the spelling. B-R double E-Z-E. B-R double E-Z-E. Breeze. Breeze means what? A gentle wind. Means the air is blowing. Okay. They can get stuck in trees and look ugly, said Samir. So, the plastic bags are very light. They are not heavy. So, with the air, it will fly in the air and they can stuck. Stuck means what? S-T-U-C-K. Stuck means फंस जाना. Okay. They can stuck in trees and look ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. U-G-L-Y, ugly. Ugly means it's not looking good. Okay. See, in this picture you can see plastic bags are light. हल्के फुल्के होते हैं एकदम plastic bag. Okay. So, they will blow with the air and they will stuck in the trees. See, you can see the plastic bags are stuck in the tree and it will look ugly. This tree is so beautiful, but here the dirty carry bags are stuck. The plastic bags are stuck in the tree. So, can you see this tree is beautiful now, children, with these bags? No, na? Yes. So, it will not look beautiful. It will look dirty. So, ugly opposite beautiful. Okay. Said Samir. Mother smiled. You are right, Samir. When plastic bags fall near plants, they do not let the air and water reach the roots. So, when Samir said this reason that plastic bags are light, they can fly in the air and they will stuck in the trees, so it will not look good. Mother was happy that yes, Samir knows something about plastic. So, mother smiled and mother said that you are right, Samir. Means Samir is telling right. When plastic bags fall near plants, W-H-E-N, when, P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic, B-A-G-S, bags, F-A-L-L, fall, N-E-A-R, near, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Children, look at the board. When plastic bags fall near plants, when the bags will fall near the plants, what will happen, children? The plastic bags do not let air and water reach the roots. So, when the plastic bags will be near the trees and near the plants, they will not let the air and water reach the roots. See, now this is the tree, this is the ground, okay? And underground, here we have roots. So, see, this is the ground, and underground, here we have the roots, okay? So, when these plastic bags will be near the plant, it will not let the air go inside, reach inside the root, and if we will give water to the plants, then too, because of these plastic bags, water will not reach to the roots, okay? Then what will happen if air and water will not reach to the roots? Then the plants do not grow well and they die. Sometimes animals eat the plastic and become sick. So here, see, this is a tree, children. Now this is the big tree. But when the plastic bags will be near the plants, plants means what? Small trees, okay? So, if they will be here, air and water will not reach to the water, to the roots. So, what will happen? If it will not reach the roots, the plants will not grow, okay? Grow means what? Badna. They will not be stronger, okay? So, they will not grow well. And if these bags, you can see here the animals are eating. So what will happen? After eating those carry bags, the animals will become sick. What will happen? They will not feel well. Okay. So वो क्या हो जाएंगे? बीमार हो जाएंगे. Okay. So we should not spill the carry bags. Shall we throw them into the drain? Asked Seema. So after listening these things, what will happen if we will throw the carry bag outside? Because it will harm the animals, and because of the plastics, the trees and the plants will not grow well if the plastic bags are near the plants. So after listening these things, Seema had a question in her mind that shall we throw them into the drain? See here, SHALL, shall, WEVTHROW, throw them into the drain, DRAIN, drain. Repeat the spelling after me, children. DRAIN, drain. Drain means what? A pipe for dirty water to flow out. Means drainage. Okay, means a big pipe. Through that pipe, all the dirty water will flow out. Okay. On the next page, so what Seema asked that shall we throw them into the drainage? So here, oh no, OHONO, no, oh no. Plastic bags don't allow the water to flow easily. So, as in the drain, all the dirty water will flow out. So, what is the main reason behind that we shall not put the bags in the drainage? That plastic bags don't allow the water to flow easily. So, because of the plastic bags, if they are in the water will not flow easily. Fish and other animals in the water cannot breathe when there are many plastic bags in the rivers and lakes. Fish and other animals in the water. So, the animals they are living in the water, they cannot breathe. B R E A T H E. Breathe means सांस लेना. Okay, we are also breathing na. Breathe in, breathe out. So, if the plastic bags will be in the water, the fish and other animals, they cannot breathe when there are many plastic bags in the rivers and lakes. See, if the plastic bags are in the water will not flow easily. It will get stuck somewhere. You must have seen children on the roads when because of the rain, the water will flow on the streets. And if you will find some garbage or some plastic bags on the road, just remember, try to imagine, the water will not flow in perfect way. It will get somewhere stuck. Means जहाँ पे carry bag होगी वहाँ पे पानी रुक जाएगा, right? Sometimes these animals get trapped. What happens? Sometimes these animals get trapped in them. S-O-M-E, some, T-I-M-E-S, times. Sometimes these, T-H-E-S-E, these, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals get trapped. T-R-A, double P-E-D, trapped. T-R-A, double P-E-D, trapped in them. Get trapped meaning what, children? Become stuck and not able to get away. Means again, not get trapped meaning is stuck. Atak jana. If the fish is small but the carry bag is too big. So because of the carry bag, the fish get trapped in that carry bag. Have you understood now? मतलब उसमें फंस जाती है मछली. Okay. Plastic bags also make the water dirty, said mother. So what happens here? Because of the plastic bags, the water will become dirty. See in this picture you can see, children, where are the plastic bags? See, where are the plastic bags? The water will not flow easily. Okay, मतलब तेजी से नहीं बह पाएगा. But when I have this is the carry bag, when I have the carry bag here, see, the water will get stuck because of this carry bag. And in the plain water, the fishes can swim well. But you can see here, in that carry bag, one fish has been stuck. Means this fish is get trapped in the carry bag, inside the carry bag. Okay, and it will make the water dirty. Then mother said all these things that first, if we saw that first, if the plastic bags, if we will throw it out, what will happen? The plastic bags are light in weight, हल्के होते हैं. Okay, means easily anyone can carry the plastic bag. But if we will throw them out, what will happen? Because of the air, those carry bags will fly in the air, and on the trees it will get stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck. Stuck means what? फंस जाना, अटक जाना. You can see here, these carry bags are stuck in the tree. And because of that carry bags, this tree will not look good, right? And next we saw that if the carry bags will be near the plants, okay, if they are near the plants, what will happen? Here the carry bags will be there and the air will not reach the roots. Where are the roots, children? Underground. See, here you can see this tree. Here downside, under the field, under the ground, we have roots. Okay. So, air will not reach the roots. Even when we will give the water to the plants, that time also the water will not reach to the roots. So, if air and water will not reach to the roots, what will happen? The plants will not grow and they will die. Means they will not grow well, they will not become like this healthy. You can see a small plant here, children. Okay, because of these bags, what will happen? It will not get water and air properly, so these plants will not grow. वो उतने ही रह जाएंगे. Okay. Then next, if those carry bags, animals, and if the animals will eat, what will happen? They don't know this is the carry bag, this is the food, this is the roti. What? They will eat that, but after eating that, the animals will become sick. S-I-C-K, sick. Means they will not feel well. वो क्या हो जाएंगे? बीमार हो जाएंगे. Then what Seema asked, shall we put the carry bags? Shall we put the plastic bags in the drain? D-R-A-I-N. Now what do you mean by drain, children? Drain means a pipe where the dirty water flow out. Okay. So after Seema asked that shall we throw these carry bags, these plastic bags in the drain? So what mother said? No. If we will put these bags in the water, water will not flow easily. Yes? Water will not flow easily. The water will become stuck somewhere and it will find somewhere else. So, पानी क्या हो जाएगा? रुक जाएगा वहाँ पे. Okay. So, what will happen next? If the water will not flow easily, so there will be everywhere water, and the animals who are living in the water, not only in the drain, children, but other than this in rivers and lakes, if the carry bags, if the plastic bags will be there, what will happen? Animals are also living in the water, so they will also get trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E-D. Trapped meaning what? Stuck. फंस जाना. They are not able to move from those carry bags, and that water will become dirty. Okay? So in this way, children, we saw that how we can, means in which way we can throw the plastic bags in the air, or we can throw in the drain, and what are the demerits, means what are the bad things about what will happen. So this we saw, and we have covered here the half part of this lesson. After the another remaining half part, we are going to see in the next period. Till then, you have to learn the spellings and read lesson number 6, plastic, good or bad. Thank you.